Welcome to WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video of WhiteCane Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. In this video, I will show you a new launched TTS for Android. Yes, you heard it right. And the best part, you will find many Indian languages here. You don't need to switch various TTS or find different TTS for different languages. You just need to install this TTS and that's all. So are you interested? Then watch this video till the end. If you want to join our private computer courses, then do not forget to visit our official website from the About page of our YouTube channel. You will get one-on-one dedicated sessions, certificates, class recordings, notes and free support. So without further delay, join your favorite course. We have Advanced Excel, Computer Literacy Expert, Sound Designing with Reaper, WordPress, where you can learn web designing without having any coding knowledge, Python Adventure and HTML, CSS, JavaScript. More courses will also come soon, so stay tuned. If you wish, you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Links are given in the video description below. Without further delay, let's get into the presentation. So the TTS name is Hear2Read. Yes, Hear2Read is now available on Android. It was also available for NVDA. If you want, I will make videos on this. But now today's video is based on Android. You can download this application from Google Play Store. I'll provide the link on our official WhatsApp channel, so you can download from there also. Let me open the Play Store. And I have already opened this application.
Open
see
button. Here more options.
Sorry, install this
button.
application.
Hear2Read NG text-to-speech.
Hear2Read NG installed.
Uninstall. Button.
Uninstall.
Open.
Button.
You've got early access to this
And
app.
early
Provide
access.
your feedback so that the developer can improve this app.
So
See
now
details.
it is in early access. So you might face some bugs, some issues, but still, if you want, you can use and you can directly send your feedback to the developer. Let me open this.
Open. Hear2Read NG.
Once you open this, first time there is no voice installed in your Hear2Read. As I have already installed earlier, so I have these voices.
Here, select language. English language.
English.
Double, Hindi language.
And Hindi.
Double tap to install voice button.
So
Open
first
screen to
time you
install
have to click
additional-
here.
Hear2Read NG.
Then you will open the voice manager. Here you need to download the voice you want. So let me just swipe from left to right and see what's there.
Navigate back. Hear2Read logo. Image. Voice manager screen. Assamese. In list.
So Assamese,
58.2 megabytes.
this is the size.
Download. Button.
Just click on download button if you want to download this voice.
English.
English.
58.3 megabytes. Delete. Button.
Delete, as I have already downloaded this voice.
Gujarati. 70.8 megabytes.
So same way you can find all the voices listed here.
Hear2Read NG. Out of list.
Now if you want to listen to the voice or
Hindi
demonstration,
language. Double
then
tap to
just
select
for
and
example
open
I'm
English language.
tapping here English,
Hear2Read NG. Out of list.
and here you will find an edit box and the play button to check whether it is okay for you or not.
Risk nav. Hear2 text-to-speech demo screen. Response M dash. Response time.
Response time,
M dash. M dash. Text input section. M dash. Response. M dash. Text input section.
text input
Editable
section.
text field. Current text. This is a sample English
So here
sentence
you
list.
can
Playback
edit the
control
text.
section. Previous sentence. Play text-to-speech button.
So if
Button.
you double tap here, you can listen to the voice of that English TTS of Hear2Read.
Hear2Read NG.
Now after installing this, if you want to activate it, simply open the talkback menu.
Talkback menu.
Go to the text-to-speech settings.
Text-to-speech. Hear2Read NG. Text-to-speech. Preferred engine.
Click on
Speech
preferred
recognition
engine.
and Preferred engine. Pref text, Voiceify TT, Auto TTS, Vocalizer T, Here to Read NG.
And
Radio
here
button,
you will find
5
Here
of
to Read.
5.
Just double tap here.
Pop-up window. This can OK.
Click on
button.
OK.
Using Here2Read NG. Preferred engine.
Now you can use this engine.
Dict Here2Read NG. Radio button. 5. Stop recording. Auto TTS. Radio button. 3 of 5.
So this is the way
Preferred engine. Speech.
you can use
speech
this
recognition.
Here to Read
Text-to-speech
engine
output.
for your daily purpose. As it is an early stage, you may face some instability. So please share this application with others and also share this video with others, and also share your feedback with the developers. I hope you have enjoyed this content. If you find this information helpful, please press the like button and hype the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this. You can watch the same video on our official Hindi channel. So subscribe today, WhiteCane Academy Hindi. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.